Hi everyone, this is Parisa and I want to show you in this video how I made this notebook cover with epoxy resin. I used Art Pro resin, which is a medium viscosity resin. And I used these three pigments from Mrs. Colorberry: wine red, sapphire blue, and crystal white. I also used this glitter to add more sparkle to my work. I used almost 200 milliliters of resin for both sides of the notebook, so each mold almost 100 milliliter resin. When I say resin, I mean the mixture of resin and hardener, which I followed the instruction on the bottle to mix them together. I normally use a heat gun to remove the bubbles, and I prefer that over torch because if you overheat your resin with the torch, it might stick to your mold and you will not be able to demold your work without ruining your silicone mold. Watch and enjoy the rest of the video. If you have any question, let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe and support me to make more videos for you.